Alright, in today's video we're going to slice up these slabs because they got one heck of a warp in them. So we're going to flatten them after we cut them with the track saw. Then they eventually will become a island top for that a client's going to make. So let's go. Helps if you turn the saw on.
I think we're going to have to get a new blade change because we're dull. Alright, we'll rest it up.
This one's got quite the cup in it too. And here we're just trimming the size so they could all be glued back together into the countertop. So they're all ripped to rough size. Now we just gotta joint them, then do the final planing. Then they should be done.